Income tax, income tax, income tax. I don't like it. I avoid. But income tax likes me. I can't avoid. Hello guys. Most of us are wondering how to file our ITR returns. Most of us don't even know what filing taxes is. If you're one such people, then you need to watch this video until the end. But before moving on to the video, make sure to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Guys, the government has its own portal where you can file your ITR for free and within 10 minutes. Now, I want you to go ahead and type in ITR filing and click on the first link that is below, that is www.incometax.gov.in, and register yourself using your PAN card or Aadhaar card. Now, since I've already registered, I'll be going ahead and logging in. As soon as you log in, all your personal details will be seen towards the left hand side of the screen, and you'll have an option called as file returns here. Now, since I've already filed my returns, it is showing file revised returns, but you will have an option called as file returns. I want you guys to go ahead and click on that option and select the assessment year 22-23 and of course online mode. Now I want you guys to have your form 16 in hand to proceed further. Just start filing new returns, individual. And yeah, guys, there are different kinds of ITR forms for different kind of purpose. For example, ITR1 gives individual for individual being a resident having total income more than 50 lakh. I'm sorry, less than 50 lakhs. So there are different kinds of forms. So ITR2 is for individuals who are having income from two different properties or having income more than 50 lakhs. So I want you to read through each form and select which suits you best. Now, since my income is less than 50 lakhs, I'll be going ahead and proceeding with ITR1. And yeah, click on let's get started. Now, choose the option taxable income is more than basic exemption limit if your income is more than 2.5 lakhs. Now, since you have given your PAN card, all your details will be pre-filled and all you have to do is just verify these details. So let me start verifying my personal information. So you can go ahead and verify your personal information, select your nature of employment. Now, if you're working in a central or government or public sector unit, you can go ahead and select those. Now, since I'm working in an IT sector, I'll go ahead and select others. Now, under the filing section, it is automatically filled. You're filing under section 139 bar 1. That is return filed on or before due date. Now, if you file after the due date, that is 31st of July, it will be automatically selected as 139 bar 4, where you'll have to pay some late payment fees. Now, in case you think you have filed your ITR wrongly, you don't need to worry. You can come back doing the same procedure and select filing under section 139 bar 5, revised return, revised after filing the original return. Yeah, so since you have not done anything wrong until now, I'll go ahead and file with 139 bar 1. Yeah, and are you opting for the new tax regime? So I am selecting no, because new tax regime is only beneficial for those who are earning more than 15 lakhs in a year. Now, since I'm not earning more than 15 lakhs in a year, I'm going and selecting old regime itself, where I can claim more deductions as well. And yeah, next you have to go ahead and add your bank account details. So I'll go ahead and do that. So as soon as you enter your IFSC code, your bank details will already be pre-filled for you. So go ahead and validate it. Now, since I've already added my bank account, it is showing an error, but no worries. You can go ahead and validate it. So you will get an option here like this. So yeah, and you have to go and select this for select for refund. So in case you have any refund, this the refund will be provided to you to this bank account. So go ahead and confirm this. So the first step is over. The next step is to confirm your gross total income. So for this, you need your form 16. So we'll go ahead and verify this one. Here you can claim many exemptions in respect to expenditure incurred for cost of travel, leave travel allowance, healthcare. All those are exceptions from your income, and you can go ahead and claim this. Now, since I have not made any exemptions, I'm going ahead and skip the questions. But make sure you read all the things before going ahead and skipping the questions. Now, if you have any exemptions, just click on yes and provide the amount to be exempted. Right. So, okay, I'll go ahead and skip the questions. Now, yes. So this is where you verify your details using your Form 16. You have to verify details such as gross salary, less exempt allowances, net salary, and all those things. And if you have income from property, you have to add that as well. And income from any other sources like stocks, if you have received any dividends from those stocks, you have to add that as well. Now I have received income from dividends. I'm adding that and verifying, confirming my gross salary. Now, the next step is to claim deductions. Deductions like if you're paid for medical insurance, life insurance, all these can be deducted from your total taxable income. So you can also read through this. Are you eligible for deductions for donations? Are you eligible for deduction for any scientific or rural development? So are you eligible for deductions under Section 80G? Now, if you don't understand what Section 80GG is, you have an I option here which will show you what it is. So if you do not receive house rent allowance, you may claim benefit for rent paid to the landlord. So in case you're living in a rented house and paying rent, that can also be deducted from your net taxable income. So yeah, since I'm not paying any rent, I'm going ahead and selecting no. Now yeah, as per information available, now this will be pre-filled. If you're paying for any life insurance or public provident fund, you can go ahead and this will be pre-filled. But if you think the information is wrong, you can go ahead and select no and type the number that you think is right. So yeah, are you eligible for claiming under pension scheme? No. So I'll just go ahead and skip anything else. It's a health checkup. All those can be deducted from your net taxable income. So yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and continue with this and confirm it. Yeah. And the next step will ask me to confirm the total tax that I have paid. That is the TDS that has been deducted at source for me when the income is been credited to my bank account. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and confirm this. This has nothing to do with this. This is automatically pre-filled, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, and this will the finally it will show you the total tax that you have to pay. This is the net taxable income minus all those deductions. So the net taxable income we have to pay. Now since I have zero tax, it's showing me confirm here. But if you have no, if you have to pay tax, it will ask you to pay either now or pay later. You'll have two options like as pay now or pay later. You can go ahead and choose those options. I'm going ahead and confirming this. Now, after doing all the confirmation, you have to proceed with this. Just proceed is and yeah, you're eligible for a refund. This a 180 will be given to my bank account, which I pre-filled in the first step. So yeah, I'll go ahead and with the preview return. So this will be my return form. This will be a preview of my return form. You don't have to worry about all this. You can go ahead and confirm it. Proceed with to preview. Yeah, and go ahead and confirm your confirm. Proceed for validation. Now, if you have done any errors, it will show up here, and all you have to do is just click on it and see what the error is. So I'll just click on here, and since I do not have any exempt allowances, I'll just delete all this, and I'll go ahead and Save it and proceed further again. So yeah, now the validation is successful. You can proceed for verification. Now I am getting an error because I've already filed a tax. Now you will not be getting an error. You can go ahead and proceed with verification. Yeah. So that's it, guys. After proceeding with verification, you'll end up with your ITR is filed successfully. You have successfully filed your ITR and have become a tax paying citizen of India. Now, this method is only for salaried employees earning below 50 lakhs. Now, if you're a hustler who is having 7 sources of side income, you need to go appoint a CA to file your taxes. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share this with your friends, and subscribe to Summarize. Also, to learn more about taxes and finance, follow me on my Instagram page, Finance in a Minute. So, that's it, guys. See you on the next one.